Hello, my dear young and energetic Physioron Army. A very warm welcome to Diksha Vedantu YouTube channel. I'm your master teacher Neha ma'am. In today's session, we'll be discussing about how to join ISRO after your 10th examination. So, your 10th exams are done. So, you may be wondering how to do this, how to do that. So, I have brought today's video. If you're interested towards ISRO, if you're interested towards space science, research and all, so this video is for you. Okay, ISRO is not just a company, it's not just an organization, it's an emotion, right? It's the feeling of our Indians, right? National Space Research Organization of India, right? It's the pride of India, and to work there, to be the part of ISRO is a great pride to all Indians, right? So yeah, if you're aiming for that, if you want to work in such an organization which serves for your nation, so that will be a very good thing. And so I'm bought today's session. If you're interested to work in ISRO, this video is for you. So without wasting much time, let's start. Let's enter to the session. Okay, let's fly our dream destination. To your dream destination, we are going to fly just in few seconds. Okay, so keep ready. Okay, be ready. We are going to just fly. Before entering, let's see here. Abdul Kalam has given us, right? He used to speak about youths. He used to speak about children's, right? He had said so many good things. Dream, dream and dream, son. Yeah, Abdul Kalam has taught us to dream the things. Okay, in my 9th holidays, okay, and I suggest you to that if you are getting some books about some great persons, just go and read them. So I was not reading some bulkier books. It was very thin book about Abdul Kalam, and that book was amazing. I read it during my 9th holidays, and it changed my perspective, right? Whenever you get some good book about some good persons, it will change your mindset. It will improve you, right? I started to dream the things, okay? I started to aim high. So some people, so there's a saying that setting your goal less is a crime, okay? You should not limit yourself. Everyone can do whatever you want to achieve. So don't restrict your dreams to some smaller levels. As much as high you can set your dream, do that. What happens if you are not achieving that level? You can reach somewhere if you try towards that. So keep that in your mind. Dream at big things, set big goals, achieve something in your life, and be positive and working towards that. Okay, so this was about the introduction to our session. But what's the roadmap? What is the exact steps, the paths which you can follow to get into ISRO? Okay, yeah, let's start. What to do after we'll be speaking about 3 categories. What to do after 10th. Okay, in 11th and 12th, what you should do after that, graduation. So by three methods how to enter ISRO, I'll be saying you. Okay, shall we start today's session then? Yeah, let's start the roadmap after your 9th and 10th. So what steps you can take if your goal is to be a part of ISRO? You must be clearing your fundamentals. Okay, what I mean by fundamentals, your 9th and 10th basic concepts of physics or mathematics or chemistry, right? Bio, okay, you should be good with that. You should be clear with that. I don't mean good with that you should score only good marks. I'm not meaning that. It should be strong. Fundamentals, basics should be clear. Okay, develop your interest towards physics, develop your interest towards the research kind of things, engineering, okay, in whatever field you want to go. Before that, in the 9th and 10th, your first step is to clear your fundamentals, make your basics strong. The basic things that are given your science and maths textbook, be strong with them. Then curiosity. If you're interested towards these fields, you'll be having curiosity. So be curious to know the things. Be curious to know the things around you, about the space, about the sky, about the stars, and read about them. Okay, with your curiosity in this digital what I can say, digital media, social media time, whatever you want the information, you can get that. Okay, if you want to know about Neptune, you can just search it and you'll get all the information in more creative manner. If you want to know about the stars, if you want to know about the black holes, if you want to know about space-time curvature, about Einstein's theory, everything is easily available to you in a very good format. Okay, in the initial days, these facilities were not there and it was a bit difficult to understand complex things from the books. But now in a video format, in the text format, voice format, you can easily understand that. The animations, you can watch it. So increase your curiosity, know about the things. Not only just intaking, you must be putting output also. How to do that? Do some creative experiments, perform something, whatever you want to do, write, explore yourself. Okay, be updated with the news of ISRO, what's going on there, because you may think that, ma'am, we are just in 10th and 9th, what ISRO will do for us? No, there are many programs. I have attended it also. So there will be quizzes going on for the students, and yeah, other program, UVIC, one second, yeah, maybe UVIC, I'm not getting the thing, sorry, but I'll be updating you with that. So Yuva Vignan Protsahan Yojana, okay, there is something, it's not, okay. See, in the 9th standard, I think, okay, there's a program by ISRO where you can get a chance to visit ISRO, explore there, study there, okay. That kind of programs will be running for the students. There will be quiz competitions, essay competitions, etc. will be going on. Courses will be provided by ISRO. So go and explore. Okay, you can get the official ISRO website. Just go and explore there, search there. Is it there anything which you can participate? Okay, be updated with the things that are going on there. Okay, so this is the step you have to follow being in your 9th and 10th standard. That is clearing your fundamentals, what is in your NCRT. Be good with that. Understand the fundamentals, how the nature, how the laws work. Be curious, know about the things, explore about the things, be updated with the ISRO, what's going on there. Okay, the missions, the Chandrayaan 3 or the solar mission, right? So be aware, just keep exploring about that. And what you should do in 11th and 12th, if you're done with your 10th and 9th, so then you'll be moving towards 11th and 12th. So in your combination, physics, chemistry and mathematics should be the mandatory subjects. Okay, if you want to do research or if you want to be part of ISRO in a biological field, there is a chance, okay, but majority, mostly you will be working under the concepts of physics, chemistry and mathematics. So you can opt bio also with this, but these 3 subjects are compulsory. Okay, in your 11th science, you must opt PCMB, PCMCS, okay, that's left to you, but these subjects should be there in your combination. Okay, yeah, there's a quote by Vikram Sarabhai, right? He who can listen to the music in the midst of the noise can achieve great things. What's the meaning of this quote? If you're determined towards your goal so much that something or the other thing dancing everywhere to distract you, but your mind, your eyes, your desires are always towards your goal, towards your dream destination, right? You'll not get distracted by you'll not get distracted by unwanted things. Clear? So be that focus. And what exams you can take to fulfill your dream. So you can attend JEE Mains and JEE Advanced examination. When students will qualify JEE Mains, they'll appear for JEE Advanced. If you qualify JEE Advanced, you'll get the chance to get admission in premier institution of India like IITs, IISc, ISRS, NISRS, NIT and all. So these options are available by JEE. And initially there used to be KVPY examination, but now it is called as Inspire Fellowship. So you can check out that also. ISR aptitude test will be going on to get admission in ISRS, which is also a good institutions. Okay, you can check throughout that examination. You can explore about them more. Okay, so you can see the campus selection that will be occurring in IIST. Okay, let me tell you, IIST is the institution from which you can directly enter to ISRO, as it is in collaboration with the ISRO. Okay, Indian Institute of Science and Technology in Tiruvananthapuram. So that's the institution. If you go there, it's directly after that you can enter ISRO. Or else you can choose for IIT and ITs or ISRs and NISRs. So if you study in these institutions, you can be directly hired in ISRO. Okay, that's the manner you can follow. Moving forward, yeah. So, after graduation, if you want to go, okay, what should I choose in my graduation? You can choose BE, Tech, you can do BS, MS integrated programs, or you can go with BSc and MSc, okay, MSc plus PhD integrated programs are available, or you can do PhDs and then also you can enter the ISRO. And these are all the options available, okay. After your graduation, by these all fields, it's not that only if you do engineering, only if you do BTech, only then you have the option. No, with all these degrees also you can enter ISRO. Okay. So after in graduation, there will be an examination called as ICRB, which is conducted by ISRO. So if you qualify that written examination, there will be an interview. After qualifying interview, there will be some medical test and all. After that, you can join ISRO and the examination is ICRB. Note it down. Okay, so this is the eligibility is after your graduation. So graduations is compulsory. Okay, MSc or BE, BTech is compulsory over this examination. Right, is that clear to everyone? I hope this video helped you. This boost your curiosity and interest towards your goal. So yeah, this was about today's session. I hope you like the video. If you like it, just hit the like button, share the videos with your friends, and if you're not subscribed the channel yet, just go and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet again in the next session.